The Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops are a cult favorite formulated to give a natural bronzy glow while protecting your skin from environmental stresses. In this video, we'll be showing the ingredient benefits, who it's for, and how to use it in your skincare routine. What are the key ingredients in the Drunk Elephant Bronzing Drops and how do they actually work within the skin? The drops contain 8 key ingredients that benefit the skin in different ways. The first being cocoa extract, which is rich in phytocompounds, providing antioxidant and soothing benefits. Next being the Matrixyl 3000 peptide blend, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting elasticity in the skin. Then we have chronocycline. The chronopeptide mimics the antioxidant benefits of vitamin D for more youthful looking skin. Next we have white tea extract, and this ingredient contains powerful antioxidant and anti-pollution properties. Then we have vitamin F. This is a mix of soothing fatty acids which work to improve your skin's texture and suppleness while helping keep the skin calm. Next we have virgin marula oil. This is a really good absorbable oil. It's high in critical antioxidants and your omegas 6 and 9, which help to moisturize, nourish, and rejuvenate the skin. Next we have vitamin E, which is a powerful vitamin that boosts the skin's environmental defenses and helps preserve its natural lipid balance. And finally we have blackcurrant seed oil, which is known for its moisturizing and antioxidant properties. So now that we understand the 8 key ingredients in the actual anti-pollution sunshine bronzing drops, who is it actually for? So anyone who prefers their skin to have a subtle sun-kissed glow, and it can actually be used daily or for events to add that glow. So it really depends what you're going for. This is how you're able to use it on the face. Now, the Drunk Elephant have their own application method. Instead of actually applying the drops on their own, the brand suggests mixing them into your choice of a serum or a moisturizer. So you first want to shake the bottle, mix a drop or 2 of the sunshine bronzing drops into your serum, your oil, or your moisturizer for a bronzy wash of color and a potent dose of the protective antioxidants and omega fatty acids. It's the perfect shine under your makeup. It can be applied to the face, the chest, the legs, or anywhere where you feel like you need a touch of bronze. It's excellent for an event. If you are using it on your body, you can just mix it in with your body moisturizer instead and just make sure that you apply evenly. Now, keeping in mind that you should always conduct a patch test before applying any new product entirely on your face, just to check for any reactions. Now, we would love to know, what are your thoughts on the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to learn more about achieving that glass clear skin look, then check out this video here next.